broad, enveloping night. It is a restless thing, mercurial, the human light, the voice, the trembling spring, a gasp of the sun's gaze, a wintry eye flickering thin. There is movement within this rumbling traffic rake. You turn to me and tremble. Our children hang their heads tonight. The church bells ring and tremble, a shimmer of shivering light. This water we drink from, the water we came from, the viscera of yonder shore, the memory of what was before. You turn to me and tremble, a shimmer of shivering light.